Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, I'm going to bring you my on-feet review of one of my favorite Yeezy 700s to come out recently. This is the Yeezy 700 Carbon Blue. Let's go. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We do a bunch of giveaways here. In fact, I have a couple going on right now, ranging from smartphones to true wireless earphones and sneakers. The links and details to all of the giveaways can be found in the description box. So just check it out, click the links, and then watch those videos to see what you need to do to join the raffles. Good luck. Now, there have been a ton of Yeezy 700s to come out in the last few months, and most of them, in terms of resale value, they are all, or most of them are selling below retail right now. In fact, you can probably cop a second-hand Yeezy 700 for around 10,000 pesos or maybe even less here in the Philippines if you know where to look. This Yeezy, the Yeezy 700 Carbon Blue, is one of the few Yeezy 700s to still hold, if not gain in value, after releasing. This sold for 16,000 pesos here in the Philippines for retail, currently selling in different reseller shops anywhere from 20 to 22,000 pesos, and on StockX, it is selling for $400. And I can totally understand why, because it truly is one of the better ones to release in the last few months. 3 reasons why. First reason why I think it's so good is the harmony of the color blocking. If you take a look at the upper, the palette is just on point. You have carbon blue, a very intense blue that really draws out earth tones, which you see here on the upper. You have some shade of purple along the edges to give it a little bit more contrast. You have light blue, you have, some sort of like light ash color, light gray, dark gray. You have that light blue midsole that even, I don't know what color is this, but it really pops for the eye, for the laces and the tongue. But and if you go down, you have that burst of color with the salmon along the midsole. Everything taken together just makes it a visually and aesthetically pleasing sneaker to look at from any angle, from the top, from the sides, from afar. It's a striking and yet subtle and very pleasing to look at sneaker. The second reason are the textures of the materials that you find on the sneaker, which is actually very common when it comes to the 700. You have nice high quality suede, you have mesh, you have this really cool swatch of leather along the laces, and then of course when you go below it, you have the rubber outsole and you have that comfortable boost midsole. Third is the comfort, and for a dad shoe, for a chunky sneaker, the Yeezy 700 delivers in spades. One of the most comfortable, chunky shoes that you can buy in the market today. Now, before I continue, I'm not sure if you guys can see, but my cat over there is literally taking a bath. So that's how cats take a bath. They lick themselves. So there she is. There he is. His name is Rumfold. He's a Scottish fold. I got him from Bonnevie Cattery. And he's just so cute and cuddly. And I hope he doesn't make a mess of my Funko Pops back there. Those are really expensive collections. Back to the shoe. Now, if you guys can find this sneaker below retail, I think it's a steal. I think just basing it off the current value that you're seeing it resale for different shops and also on StockX, plus the fact that it's really one of the nicest looking Yeezys in my opinion. How does it stack against the Yeezys that is similar to, such as the Inertia 700 and the Inertia 700 V2? I think the fact that the upper is built this way, the accents are this, the color blocking is like this, makes it completely different. Because you take a look at the Inertia, the main contrast of colors really happens with this. That pop-up salmon and everything else is almost the same color. This one has more personality, has more depth, has more dimensions, and if I were to pick between the two, I'd go with this one. Now, before we end, I just want to bring something to your attention. Hypebeast recently posted an image of an OG or a really old retro sneaker that's making a comeback, which is the Feet You Wear 98. And it bears striking resemblance to the Yeezy 700. Apparently, I guess, from what I can see, this sneaker took a lot of inspiration from that sneaker. So I'll flash the picture somewhere here. Let me know what you guys think. Do you feel that the 700 took inspiration from that shoe? Do you like that shoe? let me know in the comment section down below. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our video for the day. I will be posting more in the coming days ahead. Apologies for not being able to post the last day or so. I've been actually sick together with the wife, so we've been recovering. We've been trying to, you know, gather our energy so that we can heal a little bit. But I hope all of you are doing well. And as usual, peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.